lines. You see how neat it looks, right? It's so neat. Oh, I'm so sorry, I can't speak French. I'm sorry, I can't speak. It's only English that I can speak. Oh. But just watch what she's doing. So to ventilate, you need this. What's in the label called? You need this ventilating needle or pin. Let me show you clearly. You need this. You need this. You also need a mannequin head like this one. This is what we call a mannequin head here. And you need a net, like a closure net. So depending on what you want, you probably might want like a 5x5, a 2x6, a frontal 6x6, you know, depending on what you want. And yeah, you're good to go. So I have a detailed video on how to ventilate. You can go ahead to check my videos. Check videos of how to ventilate on our channel. I have tons and tons of videos on how to ventilate. So you can go ahead to check to learn. I'm so sorry I can't speak French. Oh, okay, you're learning to speak English. Oh, you're welcome. But me, I cannot speak French. Maybe I might probably need to go and learn how to speak French. So that I can be interacting with, you know, with you. So yeah. So you're welcome to our live section. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. Share if possible. You can share the video, the live section. Share if possible. Subscribe if you haven't, so that you don't get to miss it anytime we come up live here. So, you know, show you guys one or two things we are doing here. Hey. Don't forget to like the like section. Give the like section a big thumbs up. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please give the like section a big thumbs up. I need you. Hey, give them. So like I said before, go ahead to check our website www.exclusivesignature.com to buy hairs from us. We have coily hairs, like luxury hairs that are so affordable. We have coily, we have bone straight, we have wavy, we have bounce, depending on what you want. We also have closures, we have bundles, we have frontals, and we as well have braided wigs. Oh, but this is not comfortable at all. Here you go. How good is it going? I need to fix this. Hi. Welcome to our live section. How are you doing today? So like I said before, we have hairs for sale, luxury hairs. So you can go ahead and check our website www.exquisitesignature.com. I don't know if I can write this